National Electrical Code Section 406.9 B1 states that lamps and lighting fixtures shall be located or guarded so that exposed live parts of the fixture cannot be easily contacted. Several potential electrical hazards can arise when receptacles are placed behind beds. Firstly, a damaged or frayed cord can occur. The constant rubbing against the mattress and box springs can damage the lamp cord, exposing live wires. This creates an electrical hazard for anyone handling the cord or touching the bed frame. Secondly, electrical arcing may occur. When exposed wires come into contact with each other, electrical arcing can occur, which generates intense heat and sparks. This can ignite nearby combustible materials such as bedding or curtains. Thirdly, short circuits are a possibility. Damaged or frayed cords can lead to short circuits, which can overload the electrical system and cause a power outage or even a fire. In addition to these hazards, there are other safety concerns. Firstly, loose lamp cords can present a tripping hazard, especially in the dark. Secondly, electrical shock is a concern. If the cord is damaged and comes into contact with a person, it can cause electrical shock. Based on the electrical code and safety regulations, it is evident that receptacles behind beds and lamp cords plugged into those receptacles, which can be rubbed against by the mattress and box springs, pose an electrical hazard. This situation can lead to damaged cords, electrical arcing, short circuits, tripping hazards, and electrical shock. It is recommended to relocate the receptacles to a safer location or to use an alternative method for lighting the area behind the bed.